So, what is the difference between public and private IP addresses? How devices communicate? Understanding IP addresses. Let's dive into that. Every device connected to a network has an IP address. This address helps devices identify each other. There are two main types: public and private IP addresses. First, let's explore private IP addresses. Imagine your home. You might call to your brother, "Come to room 2. That works only within your home. No one outside understands that. This is just like a private IP. Private IPs are used within a private network. They enable devices like laptops and phones to communicate internally. Common private IP ranges are 192.168xx. When you connect your laptop, it often gets a private IP like 192.168.1125. Next, we look at public IP addresses. Think of your full home address, House 20, Main Road, City. That's an address everyone can find. Similar to this is a public IP address visible on the internet. Typically, your home internet connection has one public IP, such as 49.205x.x. This is the address other networks use to reach you. To simplify, remember this: private IPs are for internal communication. Public IPs allow outside access. Now, let's visualize this. At home, your laptop and phone have private IPs. Your router or internet connection uses a public IP. In the cloud, it's similar. An EC2 server has a private IP inside the network, and it can also have a public IP to access the internet. In summary, private IPs work inside networks, while public IPs connect you to the world. Now that you understand the difference, think about your devices. Do you know which IP addresses they use? Explore this further and dive deeper into networking.